Oh hey! Yat Ebin, good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm yawning. To say that in Navajo, you'd say, Ńdiischch'ah, Ńdiischch'ah, I'm yawning. To say, I keep yawning, I need some coffee, you'd say, Ńdiischch'ah, ahwe tlaansin. Ńdiischch'ah, ahwe tlaansin. To say, you're yawning, you would say, Ńdiischch'ah, Ńdiischch'ah, you're yawning. To say, don't yawn, you're going to make me sleepy, you'd say, Aro Ńdiischch'ah, bil shididilna. Aro Ńdiischch'ah, bil shididilna. Shididilna means you're going to pass it to me. Like when you say, Aro dilkose, shididilna. Don't cough, you're going to pass it to me. To say he or she is yawning, you would say, Ńdiischch'ah, Ńdiischch'ah, he or she is yawning. To say, Erin was really yawning, she made me sleepy, you'd say, Erin, she Ńdiischch'ah, bil shidilna. Erin, she Ńdiischch'ah, bil shidilna. To say Ty is yawning away, you would say, Ty Ńdiischch'ah ya naga. Ty Ńdiischch'ah ya naga. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Ńdiischch'ah, I'm yawning. Have a nice day. Ńdiischch'ah.